Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So my home screen obviously is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, press and hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Or actually, we don't need to hold it, we just need to press it. Anyway, once you do so, as you've seen, there is a pop-up, so I'm going to do that once more. So we have edit and share options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it does so, we can find that screenshot in your gallery application, and if you navigate to albums, you should have an album called screenshots in here. And obviously in this album you'll find just screenshots, which makes it nice to quickly locate any kind of screenshot that I have captured later on down the line. So that being said, if you go into, for instance, your photos, there we go, you can see it also shows up right here. But like I said, if you're looking for this down the line, this will probably be kind of annoying to look for it down the list of photos, videos, screenshots and everything for that one specific one that you're looking for. So it's nice to go into the albums and locate it through the screenshot album, which will only consist of just screenshots. But anyway, that is how you capture your screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.